physicists, today we're going to be talking about GCSE stopping distances. So I've got a car that's travelling at 18 metres per second. I'm told the driver's reaction time, and I've got the braking distance. Now, note that that's the braking distance. We're going to come on to that in just a second. So the first thing I need to do is I need to calculate the thinking distance. So remember that this is the distance that the car is going to travel while the driver is thinking about seeing the object and then applying the brakes. So thinking distance is all about the reaction time. Right, it's about time, distance, speed. So I'm going to start with my equation. Speed is distance divided by the time. The car is travelling at 18 metres per second. I'm looking for the thinking distance, so the time that I'm going to use is the reaction time, so 0.7 seconds. I'm going to rearrange this equation because I've got a divide by 0.7. I want to get rid of that because I want to get just the distance on its own. So I'm going to times both sides by 0.7. So I'm going to get 18 multiplied by 0.7 is the distance. So distance would be 18 times 0.7, which would give me an answer of 12.6 metres. Then next, I need to calculate the stopping distance. Now, the stopping distance is the thinking distance plus the braking distance. Okay, the stopping distance is both of these added together. So it's going to be 12.6, which I've just worked out from the previous question, plus the braking distance I was told in the question, which is 25 metres. So 12.6 plus 25 gives me an answer of 37.6 metres. Then finally, I need to explain why the braking distance increases if the road is wet. So if the road is wet, there will be less friction between the tyres and the road because the water is going to make the road slippery. So the tyres and the road aren't going to be rubbing against each other as much because the water acts a bit like a lubricant. So it's going to make that motion slippier. So there's going to be less friction between the tyres and the road. So therefore, the braking force will be less, so the car is going to travel further. Now, if you want any of the notes, any more questions on stopping distances, remember to check out my resources on the MyEdSpace website. And if you want more content like this, don't forget to follow this channel. I'll see you very soon.